have lives. Hello.
Are you all here? Are we ready? They are still coming. They are still coming.
Okay, remaining.
Thank you. Okay. Distinguished, issued at the end of our meeting of the PDP governors held here today on Thursday, 23rd November 2023. The PDP Governors Forum held a meeting under my leadership at Bauchi State Governors Lodge on Thursday, 23rd November 2023. The meeting deliberated on various issues of interest and concern to the forum, the People's Democratic Party and the country, and issued the following communique. The meeting reviewed the recent judgments of the Court of Appeal concerning governors of various states and noted the mixed outcomes. As a forum, we once again restate our overall confidence in the judiciary to do justice. We believe that the Supreme Court will do justice in the cases where we recorded temporary setbacks like Zamfara and Plateau states. The meeting also reviewed the off-season elections in Kogi, Bayelsa, and Imo states. We support the decision of INEC to investigate the allegation of existence of pre-filled result sheets even before elections started in some places to ensure the confidence of the people in the electoral process. In the national economy, the meeting urgently requested the federal government to prioritize the introduction of a new revenue allocation formula that gives more money to the states and local governments to enable them meet their increased responsibilities and duties. Thank you very much. Opposition, we have the mandate of the people of Nigeria, of our states and local governments and our supporters, and some of you. And we have to be seen together. We have to have the courage to say the truth as we have said today. Yes, we know we are in the opposition, but certainly we believe in the corporate existence of this nation as a federation, and we believe in good governance. And that's why we still have confidence in the judiciary. Thank you.
Your Excellency, if I may ask, some days ago, a couple of persons protested at the national headquarters calling for the resignation of the National Water Committee. Does that not send a strong message to the forum? Perhaps, some people...
Well, this is party matters, and I am not even aware of that, because even in the other side, you will hear of protests, agitations, so on and so forth. They are part of the manifestation of democracy and party politics.
I think she was
That's okay.
Thank you.
Well done, sir. I do you too. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Remove your mic.